Transformational leaders encourage their followers towards working for a collective good and far of working merely out of self-serving. Transformational leaders increases job performance and satisfaction too. So in this video, we are gonna talk in detail about transformational leadership style and theory. Hey folks, welcome back to Learn Transformation. And if you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Let's see first what is transformational leadership. Transformational leadership is a leadership style in which leaders inspire, encourage, and motivate employees to innovate and bring change that will help rise and frame the future success of the organization. They have a high payout as it positively affects innovation, which is the heart of success and growth within an organization. It's that management style which gives employees more space to be creative, look to the future, and find new solutions to all problems. As Bill Gates said, sometimes the most important job as a CEO is to listen for bad news. Because if you don't act on it, then your people will eventually stop bringing bad news to your attention, and that is the beginning of the end. Now, here are some characteristics of transformational leadership. A transformational leader is someone who epitomizes moral standards within an organization, and he stresses on cooperation, authenticity, and open communication. Transformational leader offers coaching and mentoring but permits employees to make decisions and take ownership of tasks. He builds company culture by inspiring employees to switch from an attitude of self-serving to a mindset where they're working for the common good. Let's talk about transformational leadership theory. You can find transformational leadership at different levels of organizations like divisions, team, departments, and organization as a whole. Transformational leadership has been evolved by the rising need for better leadership theory, which considers the leaders and followers as essential partners in the realization of a vision or mission in an organization. Such leaders are inspiring, visionary, bold, risk takers, and thoughtful thinkers. For bringing major changes, transformational leaders must exhibit following four factors, which are idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individualized consideration. So the leadership theory gains some strength which makes it unique compared to other theories of leadership. How to be a transformational leader? For bringing crucial changes, transformational leaders must manifest these following four factors, which are intellectual stimulation, inspirational motivation, idealized influence, and individualized consideration. So the first point is inspirational motivation. The base of transformational leadership is the encouragement of consistent mission, vision, and a set of values to the members. Their vision is so riveting that they are able to see the strengths and weaknesses of entire organization and hold them to achieve company goals. Transformational leaders take time to understand where they are and where they are directed. They work passionately and optimistically to promote the spirit of teamwork and commitment. Leaders use motivational techniques like communicating transparently, setting a clear vision, and recognizing accomplishments. Next up is idealized influence. A leader can influence followers only when he practices what he preaches. Leaders have considerable influence over the company culture, so it's important they present positive qualities that fit the organization's values and goals. Transformational leaders should incorporate focus and energy required to move forward and serve as a role model for the team. Such leaders always win the trust and respect of their followers through their action. Next up is individualized consideration. Transformational leaders diligently work to know each of their followers as individuals and giving energetic feedback to mentor growth and development. Leaders act as mentors to their followers and reward them for creativity and innovation. The followers are treated separately according to their talents and knowledge. They are authorized to make decisions and are always given with the required support to implement their decisions. That way, teams can share ideas and acknowledge unique contributions from each member of the group. And the last up is intellectual stimulation. Transformational leaders inspire followers to innovate, to be creative, and to shape new ideas for the organization and themselves. They never condemn them publicly for the mistakes committed by them, The leaders concentrate on avoiding problems and don't focus on the blaming part of it. They don't delay in getting rid of an old practice set by them if it's found unproductive. Now here are few examples of transformational leaders like Abraham Lincoln, Indira Nooyi, Mahatma Gandhi and so on. Harvard Business Review analyzed companies on the S&P and Fortune Global 500 list to uncover the best examples of transformational leadership. The first one is Tim Cook and Steve Jobs from Apple. Harvard Business Review points to Apple as an example of dual transformation, as Steve Jobs innovated on original Microsoft products while also developing a software ecosystem, and Tim Cook has enlarged on Jobs' vision by maintaining concentration on innovation, software, and brand loyalty. Next up is Jeff Bezos from Amazon. HBR points to Bezos as someone who leaped from the finance world. He conducted a new outlook to e-commerce through years of experience in a various industry. And the last up is Reed Hastings from Netflix. Hailing from the software industry, he was rooted in pre-established process and procedure in the television industry. Thanks for watching right till the end, and also please tell us in the comment section below which is your favorite transformational leader, and also you can visit our website too. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding Lean, Digital, Six Sigma, Supply Chain and Leadership, and also catch us on other social media handles. Till then, take care and have a good one.